Hey, it's Ryan Dorn here, your media sales trainer, and I am really excited about our 2022 Media Sales Academy. I've got brand new stuff to teach you. So whether you're a B2B magazine, a consumer magazine, a newspaper, you're in broadcast, hey, podcast sales, whatever it is, we've got something for you at the Media Sales Academy. All right, first class, how to book 30% more meetings. I'm going to give you the subject lines, the email templates to follow, you name it. We're going to book more meetings together. Second thing, we're going to talk about profiling advertisers to connect better. I've got some FBI profiling secrets to share with you so that you can better connect more deeply with folks. Third thing we're going to talk about is all about hosting great meetings. I'm closing 4 in 10. I know you can too. And then we've got all kinds of opportunities for us to interact together. You bring all your burning questions. We're going to get them answered. It's going to be a small but mighty group as we get together to figure out, hey, how can we do more to grow ad sales within our media companies? All right, it's all about nichemediaevents.com is where there's more information. Click on the Media Sales Academy tab. We've got Vegas, we've got Dallas, and where else are we going? Chicago! That's right. We're going to my home city of Chicago. So friends, we'll see you at the Media Sales Academy. nichemediaevents.com. All right, see you there.